In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check for updates on your Mac computer. So if you have a MacBook, iMac, whatever it may be, and you are wanting to know if there is any latest updates for your computer, what you can do is simply go to the Apple icon in the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on the Apple icon, you can now click on About This Mac. Once you click on About This Mac, you will get this page here, and from here, as you can see, there is an option now for software update. So if you click on software update, you will get this little pop-up here. So if you click on software update, you will get this little pop-up here, and then as you can see, my Mac personally is up to date on the latest macOS update. But for example, if your Mac is not up to date, you will have an update on this section here, and then you can go through the install process. So it's just that simple to check if you have an update on your Mac, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.